All right, this is side lying hip external rotation liftoffs. So again, we're gonna be in the side lying position here. With our bottom leg, we want our knee and our hip out at 90 degrees. Our back leg can be straight out in line with our body here. We're again laying on our side here. Again, you can have a yoga block to place underneath your head to relax. What we're gonna do is we are gonna drive our knee down into the ground, making sure we're not lifting it off the ground. We're gonna drive it down and we're gonna try to lift this heel up and off the ground. And you're gonna hold for the prescribed amount of time here. As we drop it down slowly. We wanna make sure our ankles are pointed towards our shins, and we wanna make sure as we lift our leg, we're not flaring our foot out, and we're not flaring our foot inwards either. Trying to again, drive that knee down into the ground, and lift that heel up as high as we can, and drop down.